Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making coconut macaroons two ways. I have a small bowl and in it are 3 egg whites. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have a large bowl and in it I have 2 cups of finely grated unsweetened coconut, and to that I'm going to add a cup of shaved coconut and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Give that a quick toss. And to this, I'm going to add our egg white mixture. Now I'm going to divide this into 2 parts. To this half of the mixture, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of 70% cacao chocolate. And these are ready to bake. And there you have it. Oh, that's how you make coconut macaroons. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.